Hey guys, welcome to David. In today's video we are going to solve this problem called two sum. Okay, so this is the lead code first problem. So if you want to solve this problem, so I will give the link in the description. So you can simply go and solve this problem. So let's start. So let's see what's the problem statement says that. So given an array of integer nums, we have given a target as well. Okay, integer target. Return the indices of two numbers such that they are adding up to the target. So we have to return the two indices that are equal to our target. You may assume that each input could have exactly one solution and you may not be used the same element twice. Okay, so there is only one solution in our array. Okay, and we have to not repeat the number. So let's say this is an array and we have to not take two times. Okay, and you can return the answer in any order. Okay, so we can return the answer in any order. So let's take an example. So this is our input array and this is our target. The target is here 9. Okay, so we have to add any of the numbers in the array and the output must be 9. Okay, and we have to return its indices. Output is 0 and 1, so that means this 2's index is 0 and 7 index is 1 because 7 plus 2 is 9. It is equal to our target. So next example is, so this is an input array and this is our target. Okay, target is 6. So we have to return any two indices whose sum is 6. So here 4 plus 2 is 6. So here we have the output is 1 and 2. Here the number 2 is on position 1 and number 4 is on position 2. So that we have to return. So here we have given an array here and the target is 9. Okay. So I have to return the two indices whose sum is 9. So run a loop for int I is equal to 0 to n. So this will run from here to here. Okay, we have to start from here, from the next element to the end of the array. Okay, now here we will run another loop. Okay, for j will start from I plus 1 to n. Okay, and we will check if array of I plus array of j is equal to our target, then we have to return its indices, so I and j. So here we will run a loop for I is equal to 0 to n, another for loop from j is equal to I plus 1. So this first loop will start from 0 to n and second loop will start from here to here. Okay, it will check if array of I plus array of j is equal to our target, then it will return its indices. Okay, now let's dry run this. Initially the I will starts from 0 and j will starts from I plus 1, that means 1, and it will check if our array of I, that is array of 0, plus array of j, that is array of 1, it is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9, and if that is equal to our target, yes, so it will return its indices. So the indices will be 0 and 1. Okay, so here only we have get our output. Now let's take another example. Okay, this is an array and the target is, let's say, 6. Okay, and we have to return the two indices whose sum is 6. Okay, same logic. So I will starts from 0 and j will starts from I plus 1, that is 1. Okay, so I is here now and j is here. Okay, and it will check, is this sum is equal to our target. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. No. Okay, then if it is not equal to the target, now j will gets updated. J is in a loop, it will gets updated and it will goes to number 4. Okay, and check if this I plus j, that is 3 plus 4, is equal to our target or not. So 3 plus 4 is 7, so it is not equal to our target. J will gets out of array, so j will gets terminated, and now I value will be gets updated. Now I value has become 1. Okay, now I will be here. Okay, and j will starts from I plus 1, means j will be here. Okay, now it will check if array of I plus array of j is equal to our target or not. Okay, so this 2 plus 4, that is 6. Okay, this is equal to our target, so it return the output as 1 and 2. Okay, so this way we can get our solution. So let's try to code it. First we will run a loop. So okay, for int I is equal to 0 to I should less than nums of length. Okay, and I will gets update, and this another for loop will starts from I plus 1, means j is equal to I plus 1 and j will goes to length. Okay, nums. Okay, then j will gets updated. Now it will check if nums of I plus nums of j is equal to our target. Okay, then it will return I and j. Okay, so it is in the form of array, so we'll take this array sign, and else it will return and new int our two indices are equal to our target, then it will return the index, and if not, if any index is not equal to our target, then it will return an empty array. Okay, now let's run the code and see what will be the output. So there is an error. Okay, so I've missed here 0. So I will take this in curly braces. So here I have missed integer. Okay, now let's run the code and see what will be the output. So yeah, the test cases has been accepted. Okay, now let's submit the code. Okay, so as you can see, the code has been submitted. This is all about this video, so thank you for watching this video.